Let's make a fortune teller. For this project, you'll need a sheet of paper, something to write with, and a pair of scissors. First thing you're going to want to do is take the corner and fold it over. We're going to create a square paper, so you're going to take your scissors and cut off this extra piece on the side. Next thing you're going to want to do is open it up and fold the opposite corners over to match each other and crease the edge. Next, we're going to take all four corners and meet them right in the middle. You'll know where the middle is because it's where the two creases form an X in the middle of your paper. Next, we're going to flip the entire paper over and do the exact same thing on the back. Meet all four corners right in the middle. Next, I'm going to fold the entire paper in half. To open it, you're going to work your pointer finger and your thumbs inside the flaps. Next, you'll need something to write with. Fold it flat so it's easier to write on. On the outside, I write the names of colors on each of the squares. Next, open it up and on each of the triangles, write a number. Keep the numbers low. I just start with 1 and work my way around. Next, it's time to write the fortunes. Open up the flaps and behind each number, create a fortune. Now let's fold it back up and play. First, we'll choose a color and spell it out. Green, G-R-E-E-N. Then choose a number, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then choose another number, 6, and read the fortune. You will be rich.